So today we are in this beautiful home in Poole, which is not far from our showroom, and we have just completed this AOS range outdoor kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through the kitchen itself, everything that's got it, and this space as a whole. So this house is located on a beautiful leafy little lane in Poole. Everywhere you look, there's trees, there's plants, there's colour everywhere. On a day like this, which is really, really warm, this is an absolutely beautiful place to be. So I don't know if you can see, but we are on a mezzanine. So we are probably 5 meters above floor level here. We're on the first floor, and the customers have, they've been spending time renovating the whole house, but they've had this incredible mezzanine built with these huge, large format porcelain tiles. And the spec on this one was to create an outdoor kitchen, so like a space that they can use with their friends and family out here. So they've had other contractors in that have been doing all the other work on here. They've had a guy in who's been doing all this millboard decking that you can see behind. So this is all like a charcoal color. They've done the whole shelter, ceiling, the walls, and this section along here in the millboard decking, which is like a composite decking, which matches the house really well. There's lots of dark tones in the house. They've also got this, it's not cedar, it's like a rosewood style, but they've got that all around the house as well. There's lots of glass everywhere. It's really, really modern and contemporary. So we really wanted to try and match that with the kitchen. The customer came into our showroom and had a look around, and he loved the Gozney Dome and he loved the olive color. So he decided that he wanted to have the kitchen matching that color. So this kitchen is one of our own range of kitchens. It's an AOS range kitchen, so we can make these units to any size, shape, color. We can hold any appliance in there, which is sort of come into his own in this kitchen because of the style and the way that it is. So you'll notice that this kitchen is actually raised off the floor by about 200 mil. And the reason for that is because we're on a mezzanine patio here, there is water channels, there's drainage that goes all the way along there to the corner, and starting about here, it's got drainage that goes along there. So any water that goes onto the mezzanine has got somewhere to go. So the customer really wanted us to be able to have almost like a floating kitchen, so he could get underneath it to either clear leaves out of the channel or push water away. So that's what we've done. So he had a metal fabricator design almost like an L-shape bars that were fixed to the wall all the way along, and it's got lateral bars going along that to create a level platform for us to lay our kitchen units on. So we've made all these units individually, and I shall go through them now with you. Let's start at this end here. So this is the Beefeater double fridge. This is a stainless steel glass fronted double fridge. You can see how much space there is in there for all the drinks and everything like that. This is a custom made unit for the fridge itself. Next to the fridge, this is simply a highline storage unit. You can see also that all of our doors are handleless. They're all soft close. We use blunt hinges. You can see in here, to be able to open the door, we have these finger rails in there which give a gap so you can put your finger over there. So we've matched the color of the finger rails to the cladding behind, and then obviously the doors are matched to the Gozney. Coming along to here, this is the Napoleon 665 Prestige Pro barbecue. This is an incredible barbecue. It hasn't been used yet. It's 7 burners. It's got an infrared back burner. It's got a smoker tray over here. The smoker tray's got its own burner as well. Completely stainless steel, really, really well made. You can feel the quality when you open and shut the lid. Comes with a really good 25-year limited warranty as well. This is a fantastic barbecue. Underneath there, double doors and just storage. So you can see you've got the electrics and everything underneath there. The customer's also got a spare gas tank under there as well. What you can't see behind there also is that the gas from the barbecue goes down under the bottom. We've run it underneath there, under this cupboard here, and we've connected the gas hose from the Gozney and the barbecue together into one tank there. But I'll show you that in a minute. Here, again, just another cupboard just for storage. Over to here, this is another sort of custom unit, if you like. This is slightly higher, so it's easier to get your pizzas in and out. And this is just gas storage. So you can see underneath there, we've got the 2 gas tanks connected to the one regulator, so you only ever need one tank. If that ever runs out, he's got the spare one there, he can swap it over. And then coming around to here, you've got these 2, I think these are about probably 900mm wide. These are huge drawers, massive pan drawers. You can put lots of weight in them, but really good for keeping lots of things. You can see that they've got all of their accessories for the barbecue and everything else in there. You can see where the pizza oven unit is here and the fridge unit there. They're exactly the same size, so it's quite symmetrical the way that it looks. For the worktops on this one, I think this might be a Marazzi limestone, something like that. It's 20mm thick. It matches the tiles really, really well. So Marazzi is a porcelain. It's like Decton. It's like a recycled man-made product. But what we've done is we've enclosed the whole kitchen in the Marazzi. So you can see these waterfalls come down here. Everything is mited. It all runs along really smoothly, comes along to here. And then along here, they've created this bar section that looks like it's about 100mm thick. It's only the 20mm thick Marazzi, but it's all been clad and mitered. So you now have this incredible bar that comes all the way along here and just finishes just around the corner there. It just flows so nicely. So you've now got 5 seats here. All of you can, you know, with your friends, your family, sat here talking, enjoying, socializing, and cooking up loads of really good food at the same time. So we didn't do this, but you can see in the shelter, they've got lights on there, which would be great at night. And then he's also got these 2 ginormous heaters as well. I imagine they would probably have a table here. They've got lots of space here, and I'd imagine probably some sofas and things over there. There are some chairs and a table there. So there we go. Another kitchen completed, one that we're really, really proud of. We absolutely love it. There's something really unique about this one, the way that it floats. We've never done anything like this before, so it's something we're really, really proud of. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos like that, I'll leave a link up here. If you're looking to get an outdoor kitchen or you're looking for some inspiration, go ahead and click on that, have a look. We try and post these videos like once a week. We also have Instagram and Facebook where we post a few times a week. So if you want to see what we're currently up to, just head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.